Hey plant lovers! Did you know there are some amazing plants you can grow without any soil at all? Just a jar of water, a sunny window, and a bit of care. And you've got lush greenery multiplying right before your eyes. In today's video, we're diving into 15 stunning plants you can grow and propagate in water this summer. 1. Pothos Epipremnum aureum. Pothos is hands down one of the easiest plants to grow in water. Just cut a vine right below a node, those little bumps on the stem, and place it in a clear jar. Make sure the leaves aren't touching the water and put it in bright, indirect light. Within a week or two, white roots will start growing. It looks stunning trailing from a shelf or hanging in your kitchen window, and it just keeps going. 2. Heartleaf Philodendron Hederaceum. This sweetheart plant is just as easygoing as Pothos. It loves to root in water and keeps growing for months, even without soil. Snip a healthy vine below the node and set it in water. It prefers medium to bright indirect light, and you'll start seeing roots in 10-14 days. The heart-shaped leaves add a soft, romantic touch to any room, and you can grow a whole new plant just from one stem. 3. Lucky Bamboo Dracaena sanderiana. Despite its name, lucky bamboo isn't bamboo at all, but it sure is lucky. This plant is often grown in water with pebbles to support the stalks. It's a symbol of good fortune and thrives in indirect light. Just make sure the roots stay submerged and change the water every 7-10 days. Great for desktops or entryways and perfect for gifting too. 4. Spider plant Chlorophytum comosum. Spider plants grow these adorable baby shoots called spiderettes, and guess what? You can pop them in water and they'll root fast. Snip off a healthy spiderette and place it in a small glass of water. Bright, indirect light works best, and within days you'll see roots forming. They're great for hanging baskets or bathroom shelves, and they purify the air too. 5. Coleus. Coleus brings a splash of color to water propagation with its bold leaves in purples, pinks, and greens. It's like a tropical art piece. Just take a stem cutting below a node and place it in a jar. Keep it in a bright spot and change the water every few days. In summer, Coleus roots super quickly, often in less than a week. Once rooted, you can transfer it to soil or keep it in water for a vibrant display. 6. English ivy, Hedera helix. Want a trailing beauty? English ivy loves growing in water. Cut a stem with at least 2 nodes and remove the lower leaves before placing it in water. It prefers a cooler, indirect light spot and will start to grow roots within 7-10 days. Perfect for creating a cascading indoor jungle vibe on shelves or windowsills. 7. Monstera deliciosa, young cuttings. Monsteras are iconic for a reason, and the best part, you can propagate young cuttings in water easily. Cut a stem with a node and ideally an aerial root. Place it in a tall jar so it stays upright, keep it near bright, indirect light, and change the water weekly. In a few weeks, strong roots form and leaves might unfurl, so satisfying to watch. 8. Mint. Want something useful and pretty? Mint grows fast in water and smells amazing too. Take a few cuttings, remove the lower leaves, and place the stems in water. Keep it in a sunny kitchen window and you'll have a fresh supply for teas, cooking, or garnish. You'll likely see roots in less than a week, perfect for impatient plant parents. 9. Wandering Jew, Tradescantia zebrina. This striking plant with purple and silver stripes roots beautifully in water. Take a cutting just below a node and let it sit in a glass jar. It prefers bright light and rewards you with fast-growing vines. Plus, it adds a dramatic pop of color to your plant collection, even in just a glass of water. 10. Basil. Fresh basil isn't just for pasta. You can regrow basil in water from supermarket cuttings or garden trimmings. Snip a 4-6 inch stem, strip the lower leaves, and place it in a glass near a sunny window. Roots grow in about a week, and you can keep harvesting leaves as they grow. This is perfect for anyone who loves to cook with fresh herbs year-round. 11. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema. Aglaonemas are slow growers in water, but their patterned leaves make it totally worth it. Cut a stem with at least 1 node and place it in a vase. Keep it in filtered light and be patient. It may take a few weeks for roots to appear. They look elegant and tropical and are great for office or hallway corners. 12. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. Yes, peace lilies can grow in water too. Gently wash off the soil from the roots and place them in a clear container with just the roots submerged. These plants do well in low to moderate light and bloom with beautiful white spathes. They're also excellent air purifiers, so it's beauty and health in one. 13. Purple heart, Tradescantia pallida. Another Tradescantia, the purple heart lives up to its name. Deep purple stems and leaves look absolutely stunning in glass jars. Cut a 4-6 inch piece, remove the lower leaves and place it in water. It grows quickly in bright light and makes a bold statement on any windowsill. 14. Aloe Vera in rare cases. While aloe prefers soil, some people root the base in water to start propagation. It's a bit trickier. Use only the bottom part in shallow water and ensure no leaves touch the surface. Once you see tiny root nubs, it's better to move it to soil. Use this as a bonus experiment if you're feeling adventurous. 15. Syngonium, arrowhead plant, Syngonium cuttings. Root beautifully in water and grow bushy over time. Cut below a node, pop the stem in water and give it medium light. It will surprise you with how fast it grows, and the arrow-shaped leaves add a soft, jungle-like vibe to your indoor space. And there you have it. 15 beautiful plants you can grow in just water this summer. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your plant-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy plant care ideas. Thanks for watching and happy propagating.